The Wood Enterprise Institute, or WEI, is a concept-to-market program in the Department of Wood Science and Forest Products at Virginia Tech. Housed at the Thomas M. Brooks Center, each WEI iteration completes the design, marketing, and sales of a new product. This video's purpose is to give an insight into the processes by which we make the 2011 WEI coasters. Our whole process starts in our lumber shed. Before going to rough mill, each board is inspected for quality. This includes how much clear face grain there is, as well as how much of that material can easily be extracted through our milling processes. The chosen board is then cut to length. This minimizes defects on it, as well as gives us a far more manageable length to work with. The board is then jointed on both the face and the sides. This gives us a 90-degree angle to work with. Here at the WEI, we want to maximize how much material we're getting from our boards. To facilitate this, we cut notches down the entire lengths of both sides of the board, so it is easily resawn by the bandsaw, effectively doubling our yield. The bandsaw's height is adjusted to fit the board, and it is then cut into two different slabs. These boards are then jointed once again. We then take the boards to our planer. We set our height and bring the piece down to its final thickness before it's sanded later. Before we can cut individual coasters, we have to rip the boards to the proper width. This is done with saw guards and push sticks to make sure no one is hurt. Ripped boards are then loaded edgewise back into the planer to bring them to final width. The boards are then brought to our chop saw, where they are individually cut out into their final 4" by 4" shape. The coaster blanks are now brought to the table router, where the rounded edges are cut. To minimize tear out, we first route the end grain and then the other sides. The coasters then go through 3 sanders, one with 80 grit, one with 120 grit, and another with 150 grit. This takes out any tool marks as well as brings out the natural beauty of the wood. Finally, the hole for the cork inlay is drilled with our drill press. The coaster is now ready for finishing. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll show you our finishing processes as well as our cork engraving. You can visit us on the web and order this product at vtwe.wordpress.com.